1.1. Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set R of all real numbers defined as R equal to set of all ordered pair AB such that A less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So first of all, you have to check whether it is reflexive or not. If it is reflexive, you have to give a general proof. And if it is not reflexive, you have to give a counter example, a particular example which shows that R is not reflexive. So first you take a reflexive. As you know that if R a relation defined in A and if R is reflexive, A comma A is an element of R for every A belongs to the mother set A. So here your mother set is your set of real numbers. You can see here the mother set is set of real numbers. So in order to check whether R is reflexive, you need to check that every element of real number is related to itself or not. Now, how do we check that one ordered pair is present in the relation or not? So for that, what you need to do, A comma B, if it is there in R, if only if it satisfies the inequality A less than or equal to B square. For example, if you take 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, whether this 1 by 2 is there or not, whether this 2 comma 2 is there or not, whether 1 comma 1 is there or not, this is a way we have to check whether R is reflexive. Because we are taking elements from real numbers, it is so many elements are there and some of them we will check and do 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. All these elements you take from real numbers and check whether 1 is related to 1 or not, 2 is related to 2 or not, 1 by 2 is related to 1 by 2 or not, etc. Okay, now first let us check 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is there or not. How do we check that 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is there or not? You have to check by the condition given in the question. That is, in the question it is given that if AB is there in the set, if AB is there in the real numbers, if A less than or equal to B square. So in order to check 1 by 2 is there in the group, there in the real number set of relation. In the relation, we need to check whether 1 by 2 satisfy the inequality or not. Okay, for that, I'm checking 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 square. Is it true or not? It is not true. Is not true. That means this is not an element of the relation. So we can write that R is not reflexive. Because every element of the mother set must be related to itself. Under the relation R, then only R is reflexive. And we got a particular example 1 by 2 from the set of real numbers for which 1 by 2 is not related to 1 by 2 itself. Therefore, R is not reflexive. The second condition is the symmetric. For that, it is a conditional statement. What is a conditional statement? If AB is an element of R, then the symmetric ordered pair BA is an element of R. So now we have to consider one element from the relation and you have to check whether always a symmetric ordered pair is there or not. For example, if you consider any such ordered pair, which ordered pair will consider? 1 comma 2, is it there in the relation or not? How do we check? 1 less than 2 square is true or not? 1 less than 2 square is true. So we can write that it is there in R. What about 2 comma 1? 2 comma 1, how will you check? You have to check whether 2 less than 1 square is true or not. 2 less than 1 square is not true. So that means this 2 1 is not in R because 2 less than 1 square is not true. So that means 1 2, the ordered pair 1 2 is present in the relation, but its symmetric ordered pair 2 1 is not there in R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. And the third one is transitive. For checking transitivity of the relation, that we know that it's again a conditional statement. What is a conditional statement? If A comma B in R and B comma C is in R, it was not coming there. Oh, पूरा का पूरा गया. It was not coming here, na? What nonsense! You are laughing. Again, I have to check. What is this? Oh, कष्ट करके मैं कर रहा है. सोचो. Exercise 1.1. Show that the relation R in the set R of all real numbers defined as R equal to set of all AB such that A less R equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. To check whether it is reflexive or not, what you need to do is you have to go to the basic definition of reflexivity. What is the basic definition of reflexivity? If R is defined in A and A comma A is present in the relation for every A in A, then we say that R is reflexive. So now here how do we check whether an ordered pair is present or in the relation or not? You have to check this inequality. If the inequality satisfied, then you can say that the corresponding ordered pair AB is there in the relation. Now, to check R is reflexive, you take any element from the mother set. What is a mother set here? R is defined on the set of real numbers. So, the set of real numbers is your mother set. So, the set of real number is a mother set. So, you take any element from the set of real numbers and check whether it is related to itself or not. For example, if you take one element from the mother set, you can take 2, you can take 1, you can take 1 by 2, and now you need to check that whether 2 is related to 2 or not, 1 is related to 1 or not, 1 by 2 is related to 1 by 2 or not. For example, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. How do we check whether 1 by 2 is there in the relation or not? You have to check with the inequality given as per your question. In the inequality, what is given is, if AB is present in R, that means A less than or equal to B square. So if 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is present in R, we are going to check. For that, you have to check 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 square is true or not. 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 square is true or not. Because it is true, is not true, right? Is not true, because 1 by 2 less than 1 by 4 is not true. That means what? 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is not an element of R. So 1 by 2 is not related to 1 by 2 itself, and 1 by 2 is coming from the mother set of real numbers. Therefore, we can write that R is not reflexive. The second part is symmetric relation. For checking the symmetric relation, you just go to the basic definition of symmetric relation. It is a conditional statement. If AB is present in R, then BA also present in R, then we do say that R is symmetric. So we have to consider one element which is present in the relation, and you have to show or check whether its symmetric pair is always present or not. So for example, if you take 1 comma 2, first of all you check 1 comma 2 is present in R or not. For that you have to check the inequality. 1 less than 2 square is true or not. 1 less than 2 square is true. That means 1 comma 2 is present in R. 1 comma 2 is present in R. Now you have to check next symmetric ordered pair 2 comma 1. It is not present in R because 2 less than 1 square is not true. That means R is not symmetric. Okay. So it's one counter example is enough to prove that the symmetry is not existing for this relation. Similarly, for transitive relation, the basic definition is that if AB is in R at the same time, if BC also in R, then the symmetric ordered pair AC must also be in R. For that, you have to check with the inequality. It will be very difficult to find out A less than or equal to B square and B less than or equal to C square. Then whether A is less than or equal to C square is true or not. It's not always true. So we have to consider some examples and to check. For example, which example you can say 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3 is present in R because we just check with this inequality, which is inequality 5 less than 3 square. 5 less than 9 is not true. Sorry, it is true. Is true. That means 5 comma 3 is there in R. Now you have to consider one ordered pair starting with 3. So we can write 3 comma 2. Is it there in R? How do we check? You just take this inequality 3 less than 2 square. Is it true or not? 3 less than 4 is true. So when 3 less than 2 is true, we can say that 3 comma 2 is also present in R. Now we have to check the transitive ordered pair. What is a transitive ordered pair? 5 comma 2. Whether 5 comma 2 is present or not. For that you have to check what? 5 less than 2 square. Is it true or not? 5 less than 4 is not true. When it is not true means this corresponding ordered pair is not an element of R. So what we got is 5 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 are present in R, but its transitive ordered pair 5 comma 2 is not present in R. Therefore R is not transitive. Next, question number 3. Check whether R defined in this set is as R equal to set of all AB such that B equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. That's a question. Here, you children, it will be easy if you write the relation, because the mother set itself is a finite set and which we can write. So tell me, what is the mother set here? The mother set is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is better you write the relation as a set form. So R is set of all ordered pair AB. You find out such ordered pair, and A and B are coming from where? A and B are coming from this mother set, which is set 1, 2, 3. So we can put some values of A and B. How to get the ordered pair? First element of A, first value of A is 1. Then the value of B equal to A plus 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the ordered pair 1, 2 will be present in R. Next value of A can be taken from the mother set as 2. A equal to 2, you will get B equal to A plus 1 or 2, 3. Then A can be next A value which can be assigned is 3. Then you will get B value 4. So we will get the corresponding ordered pair 3, 4. Next A value is 4 and B value is 5. You mind that always A and B both are from the mother set. So 5 is also there in the mother set. So you can consider this ordered pair. Now you take A equal to 5. You will get B equal to 6. But you cannot take A equal to 6. When you take A equal to 6, you will get B 7. But 7 is not present in the mother set. So this is 6, 7 is not possible. So these are the elements of the relation R. Now first you have to check whether it is reflexive or not. To check reflexive or not, what you need to check? You have to check that every element of the mother set is related to itself. That means you need to check whether 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, because elements of the mother set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6, all this must be present in R. तभी R reflexive होगा. And you can see that this is our R, but none of these elements which is supposed to make R reflexive is not present in R. So you take any example and write. So you can write 2 comma 2 is not in R, therefore R is not reflexive. The second part is symmetric. For symmetric, you know it is a conditional statement. That means, what is a symmetric? If any element is present in R and its symmetric ordered pair must also be present in R. So now you consider the first element itself, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is present in R, but its symmetric ordered pair 2 comma 1 is not present. 1 comma 2 is in R, but 2 comma 1 is not in R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Then for next, transitive. The third one is transitive relation. Transitive relation, the basic definition is if A comma B and B comma C present in R, then A comma C is present in R. So such type of existence is there, then only R is transitive. So this is a conditional statement. If A comma B and B comma C, such two ordered pair are present in R, then only you have to go and check for its transitive ordered pair, right? So now you will be searching in our present R such two ordered pairs. Which what is the speciality of the ordered pair? It is the second element of the first ordered pair is the same as the first element of the second ordered pair. Now from this current relation, you take such two ordered pairs. You can see here 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 is present in R. But what about its transitive ordered pair? What do you mean by transitive ordered pair? The first and the last. The common one is absorbed. But what about 1 comma 3? You can see that 1 comma 3 is not present in R. Therefore, R is not transitive. So that means this question over. Next question number 5. Check whether the relation defined in R means set of real numbers, by R equal to set of all AB such that A less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So the first one is reflexive. So now your mother set is real numbers. Now to check whether it is reflexive or not, A comma A is present in R for every real number. This is a real number. Okay, so this only you have to check. Now in order to check whether AB is present or not, AB is in R only if A less than or equal to B cube is true. So now you check with anything 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Whether 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is there in R or not. What you need to check here? You need to check. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is present in R or not. What you need to check? You have to check the inequality. What is inequality? 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 cube is true or not? It is not true because 1 by 2 less than 1 by 8 is not true. That means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is not an element of R. So R is not reflexive. The second one is symmetric. That is, you take any element of R and check whether it's symmetric or date pair is there or not. For example, 1 comma 2 is in R because 1 less than 2 cube is true. But what about 2 comma 1? What you will check, 2 less than 1 cube is true or not? Is not true. So this element is not there. So therefore R is not symmetric. The third one is transitive. Third one is transitive. For that, you have to check, you have to consider such two ordered pairs. If A comma B and B comma C are present in R, then you have to check the transitive ordered pair A comma C present in R. So you have to consider such two ordered pairs from this particular relation. For example, you consider 9 comma 3. 9 comma 3 is present in R because 9 less than 3 cube is true. Is true. And you have to consider another ordered pair starting with 3. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2, is it present there in R? Yes, that is also present because 3 less than 2 cube is true. But what about 9 comma 2? What about 9 comma 2? You can check here, 9 less than 2 cube is not true. That means the corresponding ordered pair cannot be the element of the relation. Therefore, what we can see here, 9 comma 3 is present in R and 3 comma 2 is present in R, but 9 comma 2 is not present in R. Therefore, R is not transitive.